Hi all, in this video we will see why Purge Data Immediately option is not working for the process. So to demonstrate this, I have taken the sample test process, and here this is my parent process and this is the sub process. So in this sub process, I have this process options, capture run bits and purge data immediately. And I have enabled this purge data immediately. So my expectation is after the process is executed, the document data that was processed in this sub process should be purged based on this process option purge data immediately. And if you see my parent process, these are the process options. I don't have this purge data immediately enabled in my parent process. So now we'll go and test this process, execute the process. So here the run is completed. This is my parent process where purge data immediately is not enabled. So we can see the document data here. And this is the sub process where we have enabled purge data immediately. So I expected that since I have enabled the purge data immediately option in my sub process, the document data should not be visible and it should be purged after this execution is completed. But if we see here, it is still present. This is because the ability to set the purge data immediately option for the sub process independent of the parent process is not available as of now. So whatever we set for the parent process, the process option, but if purge data immediately option is set in the parent process, it will take precedence. And if it is enabled in the parent process, the data will be purged after the run. And if it is not enabled in the parent process, um, the document data will still be present in the sub process, even though we enable it in the sub process. So we will check that once. So again, go to build. So you can enable purge data immediately here. And since whatever option, purge data option we select in the parent process takes precedence. So we can disable this one, save it, save it. So purge data is enabled in parent process and not enabled in sub process. Deploy it. So I have deployed with the process options, purge data immediately in the parent process. And I haven't enabled any purge data immediately here. So as per the expected behavior, since whatever the purge options we select for the parent process will be applied to the sub process as well. So we will not see the document data for both the processes now. So let's test this one in process reporting page. Execute the process. The process is executed. So this is in parent process. So now, we have enabled the purge data immediately in the parent process. So as per the expected behavior, we should not see the document data now since purge data is enabled. See, the process documents are not available for processes executed in low latency bridge mode or processes configured with purge data immediately option. Since purge data immediately option is enabled for this process, we are seeing this document data is not available. And we will also check the sub process. Since whatever option that was set in the parent process will also be applied to the sub process, we should not see the document data in this sub process as well. See, process documents are not available. Um, Executed in low latency or bridge mode or processes configured with purge data immediately. So that is the reason previously we just enabled the purge data immediately option in the sub process, but since parent process purge option takes precedence, at that time we still see the document data for the sub process in this process reporting page. So to to purge the data both in this parent and sub process, make sure that you enable the purge option in the parent process itself. This is about this topic. Thank you.